Um, what's up, everybody? So after 2 years of waiting, I finally got my desk 5Q keyboard. It arrived yesterday. It's pretty heavy. Yeah, shall we? Since there's nobody, did an unboxing on the YouTube video clip, so I thought maybe I'll do the first unboxing video clip. All right, let's open it up. So, oh look, someone's browsing. What the hell is 5Q Cloud Keyboard? Yeah. Right, let's open it up. I don't know what to talk about. Fast forward. Let's make it fast. Shh. I ripped the box. I was going to resell this. Alright, let's have a quick look on this. Maybe we can cut the video. Yeah. Don't move. I'll make the move. Yeah, slowly the text with the angle. That's right. Yeah, you got that? Right. Let's see what we got here. Nice little fancy black box. Looks like a Pandora's box. Yeah, let's open it up. Yeah, come this way. Dun 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 dun. Oh. Oh wow. So this is a desk 5Q keyboard. So in the box we got what else we got in here? We got some instruction notes and a plastic palm wrist. And what else we got on the side here? Nothing. Oh, we got Oh, okay. So this is the well, what is it? This is the keycap puller. Alright, let's talk about the keyboard itself. Okay, so firstly, it's a mechanic RGB keyboard. It feels pretty heavy, and I think the face palette is metal. It's actually made of metal. Yeah. So I'll give it a try, and then see, compare with my Vortex RGB keyboard I use at work, and then see how it goes, and then we put out another review in the next 2 weeks. Oh,